Barcelona is one of Europe's most spectacular cities from above. The Mediterranean meets a vast urban landscape of geometric streets, historic neighborhoods and extraordinary architecture. And rising above everything is the unmistakable Sagrada Família. Its soaring towers dominate the center of Barcelona. From above, the basilica appears almost surreal against the perfectly organized streets surrounding it. The famous grid of the example stretches for kilometers in every direction. Its distinctive blocks create one of the most recognizable city patterns in Europe. And at the center of that landscape, Sagrada Família continues to rise. Designed by Antoni Gaudí, this extraordinary basilica has become the defining symbol of Barcelona. Its towers, sculpted facades and intricate details seem unlike almost any other church in the world. But Gaudí's imagination extends far beyond a single landmark. Higher above the city, Park Güell spreads across a hillside overlooking Barcelona. Colorful mosaics, curved terraces and unusual architectural forms sit among gardens and trees. From its elevated position, the city stretches toward the Mediterranean. Sagrada Família rises above the rooftops in the distance. And beyond it, the blue Mediterranean creates a spectacular horizon. Follow the coastline south and Barcelona reveals another side of itself. Long beaches run beside the city beneath palms, promenades and waterfront neighborhoods. Barceloneta is the most famous. Its broad beach sits only a short distance from the historic center. From above, the golden shoreline curves beside the Mediterranean while the dense city rises immediately behind it. Continue along the waterfront and Park Güell appears beside the old city. Marinas, promenades and historic buildings surround the harbor. And above the waterfront rises Montjuïc. This broad hill provides sweeping views across the port, coastline and central Barcelona. The Grand Palau Nacional dominates one side of the hill. Its monumental architecture overlooks fountains and avenues descending toward Plaça d'Espanya. Nearby, the Olympic Stadium recalls Barcelona's transformation during the 1992 Olympic Games. But another spectacular perspective waits above the harbor. Montjuïc Castle stands at the summit overlooking the Mediterranean and the enormous port below. From here, Barcelona's relationship with the sea becomes impossible to miss. Yet the city's greatest visual attraction may still be its architecture. Casa Batlló creates one of Gaudí's most imaginative facades along Passeig de Gràcia. Curving forms, colorful tiles and unusual balconies make the building immediately recognizable. A short distance away stands another masterpiece. Casa, better known as La Pedrera, appears to flow around the corner of an entire city block. Its undulating stone facade contains almost no conventional straight lines. And above it, sculptural chimneys transform the rooftop into one of Barcelona's most distinctive spaces. Together, these landmarks reveal the city on an extraordinary scale. Sagrada Família rises from the geometric example. Park Güell looks across the city toward the sea. Beaches and harbors stretch along the Mediterranean. And Montjuïc towers above the waterfront. But Barcelona becomes even more rewarding when you leave those sweeping perspectives behind. And one of the best places to make that transition is the Gothic quarter. Narrow medieval streets twist between stone buildings only minutes from the waterfront. Small squares suddenly appear between the lanes. Balconies hang above passageways where the modern city can feel surprisingly distant. At the center stands Barcelona Cathedral, its Gothic towers rising above the surrounding old city. And from here, some of Barcelona's most atmospheric streets are waiting in almost every direction. From the Gothic quarter, it is only a short walk to one of Barcelona's most famous streets. La Rambla runs from Plaça de Catalunya toward the waterfront through the heart of the old city. Trees line the broad pedestrian promenade while cafes, flower stalls and historic buildings create constant activity. Just off La Rambla sits one of Barcelona's great food experiences. La Boqueria is a spectacular market packed with colorful produce, seafood, cured meats, sweets and local specialities. The displays alone make it worth exploring. But this is also a perfect introduction to Barcelona through food. One of the great pleasures of visiting the city is sharing tapas. Small plates make it easy to sample different flavors rather than committing to a single dish. Patatas bravas are an obvious place to begin. Jamon, croquettes, seafood and grilled vegetables offer countless other possibilities. And because Barcelona sits beside the Mediterranean, seafood naturally plays an important role. For another atmospheric neighborhood, cross into El Born. Its narrow streets combine medieval architecture with boutiques, cafes and restaurants. At its heart stands the magnificent Basilica of Santa Maria del Mar. The soaring Gothic interior feels remarkably spacious compared with the tightly packed streets outside. Nearby, the Picasso Museum offers another reason to explore this part of the city. Its collection traces important periods in the artist's development within a series of historic buildings. But Barcelona is a city that rewards time outdoors. Return toward the waterfront and walk through Park de la Ciutadella. Trees, lawns and the monumental Cascada fountain create one of central Barcelona's most enjoyable green spaces. From here, continue toward Barceloneta. The old fishing neighborhood leads directly toward the Mediterranean. Its narrow streets suddenly open onto broad beaches and a long waterfront promenade. This is one of Barcelona's greatest advantages. You can spend the morning exploring medieval streets and be beside the sea only minutes later. As afternoon begins to soften, head back toward Passeig de Gràcia. This grand avenue combines elegant shopping with some of Barcelona's most extraordinary architecture. Casa Batlló becomes especially beautiful as its colorful facade catches the changing light. Nearby La Pedrera offers another remarkable Gaudí experience. Its rooftop is filled with sculptural chimneys and sweeping views across Barcelona. But there is another place where Gaudí's work becomes far more intimate. Park Güell sits close to La Rambla and reveals his imagination within an elaborate urban mansion. Still, architecture is only part of Barcelona's appeal. The city has an extraordinary rhythm. Lunch can stretch into the afternoon. Evening begins later than many visitors expect. And streets that feel relaxed during the day can become completely different after sunset. For one of the most memorable evenings, return toward the Gothic Quarter and El Born. Historic facades glow beneath streetlights while restaurants spill into small squares. Or head toward the beachfront for a completely different atmosphere beside the Mediterranean. Barcelona also has a strong tradition of neighborhood life. Gràcia is one of the best areas to experience it. Small plazas, independent shops and cafes give the district a more local character than the major sightseeing zones. And above Gràcia, Park Güell offers one final spectacular perspective. As the light begins to soften, Barcelona spreads below toward the Mediterranean. The geometric eye example fills the center. Sagrada Família rises unmistakably above the rooftops. Beyond it lies the sea. It is a view that brings Barcelona's extraordinary ingredients together in a single panorama. Architecture, mountains, neighborhoods and coastline all exist within one compact city. Few destinations combine monumental sightseeing with everyday pleasures so naturally. You can spend hours studying Gaudí's masterpieces, then disappear into a medieval alley for tapas. You can explore markets and museums before walking directly onto a Mediterranean beach. And you can watch sunset from a hillside before returning to streets that remain alive late into the evening. Barcelona is colorful, creative and unmistakably Mediterranean. Its famous landmarks are extraordinary. But it is the way architecture, food, neighborhood life and the sea constantly overlap that makes the city so difficult to forget.